Oh, hell no. Hell no. Hold on a second. Let me take a gander. Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you comment down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, if you've read from the title, we finally got our BOXYCHARM base box. This is for the month of July. This is the $25 a month subscription. And I'm so excited that it's finally here. So if you want to see what I got in my July 2020 base box, then keep on watching. Alright, this literally just came in the mail. I haven't even cut the tape or anything. So all my boxes are like so late this month. I still haven't got my Ipsy Ultimate, my Ipsy Plus. I haven't got my Premium. I haven't got anything. I never even got a tracking confirmation on this. So it just showed up. So I don't know like what how much this box weighed or anything. So I can't help you out with that. But hopefully there's a card in here that I can give you a variation. Alright, so when it opens up, it says BOXYCHARM. Looks like this. And not too much, just a little sneak peek. Alright, so for the theme of this month, for the month of July, is sunshine. And then on the back, tells you what everything is and gives you prices. Okay, so the first thing that I'm seeing is from the Creme Shop. This is the Next Generation Blender set, which I really, really love beauty blenders. So I'm really excited to get this. Like, I'll never knock beauty blenders. There's only been a few that I'm like, I will never ever use them again. But for the most part, I can figure out some way to use them. So let's see. Oh, and they feel very squishy and soft without you dampening it. So I'm really excited. And I like how this is shaped. It has different angles. So it's a really good, and then this is flat. I like this a lot. And then you have just like a, regular slanted beauty blender. So I'm glad to get two. But let's see how much they're trying to say that this is. Let's see. Where you be? All right, $22 for two. That's not bad. And they feel really good, so we shall see. All right, the next thing I got is from Studio Makeup. A few months ago, I believe, I got an eyeshadow palette from this brand that I didn't really care for. But let's see what this is. So this is an Endurance Cream eyeshadow, and it's saying it's $25. Let's see. What shade is this? In the shade... Let me get my glasses on. Let's see. I still can't read what the heck that says. Where's my magnifying glass? CS10 Gold. Okay. Let's do a little swatchy swatch. Alright, so that's what it looks like. Let me turn the light down a little bit to see if you can see anything better. That's what it looks like. It's definitely not opaque. I mean, let me give you an example. So I just got an order from e.l.f. and I have a whole bunch of these shades on my table I was going to try out. So I have this in green, purple. This is, what shade is this? In Pinky Swear. Now these are $5. Okay? So let's do a little swatch and see how a $5 shade looks. Now the size, I feel like there's something in my eye. Now the size is definitely a lot smaller, okay? Well, let's just see what the quality is like. Okay, just a regular applicator. And that's what it looks like. I don't know what you'll be able to see. This is more of a pinky color. And this has a little glitter in it, which I really like. But it's more opaque than this for $5. So if you want some kind of, I would never pay $25 when I could pay $5, But let's try it on my eye and just see how it looks. And I don't know if I'm going crazy, but as it's sitting on my hand, it seems to like lose the opaqueness. I don't know, maybe I'm just seeing things. Let me put it on my eye and see how it, if it makes a difference. Let's see. Okay, as I'm putting it on my eye, it definitely is more opaque than my hand. Okay, let me put it on the other eye. When you first put it on, it is opaque, but as you blend it out, it loses the opaqueness, but it's okay. It's not terribly. I would probably use this again, but I would never buy it and pay $25. Do you know what I mean? Okay, so moving on. Then we have this LMR. I don't know if this is a lip gloss or not, and I love the brand LMR. I really, really do. I love their blush palettes. I love their eyeshadow palettes. I've even had a lipstick from them before, so I'm excited for this. This is called the Birthday Suit Lip Gloss for $15. And I have no lip gloss on today, which I usually always wear lip gloss. So let me put this on and see what it looks like. Well, let me do a little swatch first. Yeah, it's just like a pinky lip gloss. It's actually more opaque than the eyeshadow. I swear, I'm telling you, it's like losing, I don't know where it's going. Where is it going? Where you be? All right, so let's put this on. Oh, that's pretty. Let me get a little bit more. That's really pretty, and it's not sticky. I really like that. I'm really excited to get that. So then we have this a palette here. I know you could have got like a blush palette or like a whatchamacallit, a bronzer palette. Okay. And this is what you be? The Ace Beauty Bronze in Paradise palette. So let's see. So it has a really nice mirror. Like, I love their mirrors. All right, so then it has this. And oh, hell no. Hell no. Hold on a second. Let me take a gander. Cut. What do you guys say? My palette is swatched. You guys seen, I literally just opened this. All 4 shades are swatched. Right? Am I seeing things? That's definitely fingerprints where they swatched it. Okay, so we're going to put this back because I'm not even going to swatch this because that's... Let me just move on. I'm definitely going to email them. Okay. Anyway, the last thing that we got is this Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster. And how much is this? $48.95. That's not bad. And the packaging is nice. It's always, vitamin C will always be in a darker packaging, and you don't want to put this out in the sun. You want to kind of put it room temperature where it's not really sunny at. Because if it is, then the vitamin C, it loses its power, loses its, I can't think of the word, you know? It doesn't stay. I'm so upset about that palette. I can't think of my words. And use your words wisely. The lasting power goes away quicker, you know what I mean? But I'm definitely excited for this. It says this powerful mix of pineapple, watermelon, and green tea extracts come together to create the ultimate all-in-one serum. The Vitamin C Brightening Booster brightens the complexion for glowing skin, protects against UV damage, and helps reduce eventual signs of aging. All right, let me take a little smell and see what it smells like. I don't really smell like fruity smells. I wish it would have smelled like watermelon. I love the scent of watermelon and pineapple. All right, so I'm excited to get that. So let's recap really quick. Oh, what variation did I get? I have variation 27. So let's recap really quick what we got for $25. We have the Clean Skin Vitamin C Brightening Booster. I'll definitely use this. This is really good if you have like dark spots or sunspots. It's really good for that. We have this Swatched palette, which, I mean, I'm just going to move on. We have this LMR lip gloss that's really, really, really pretty. I got this 25, what is this called again? Studio Makeup Liquid Eyeshadow. And guys, I'm telling you, like right in the middle, it's, I mean, it dried down, so it's not really going anywhere. Once it's there, it's there. It's just not opaque for $25. If maybe it was like $5, $7, okay, but not for $25. Like this e.l.f. one is just $5, and look at the difference. Do you know what I mean? So we got that. What else did we get? Oh, and then from the Creme Shop, we have 2 beauty blenders. So if I was going to pick out my 2 favorite items, is definitely the lip gloss and the beauty blenders. Like, I'm really excited to get this. I would have been excited to get this bronzer palette because I love bronzer, but I definitely will email them, and I'll leave it down in the comments if they email me back. So that's everything, guys. I will put the retail values somewhere around here. And that's everything, guys. Let me know what you got. What variation did you get in your BOXYCHARM? Did you get any swatch palettes? Let me know all the tea down below. And if you enjoy unboxings, then please consider giving this video a like. It really does help me out. It only takes a second, so if you could please like this video. If you enjoy unboxings, mystery boxes, reviews, hauls, then please consider subscribing to our channel. I would love for you to join our family. And don't forget to put the post notification bell on and make sure that you have it on all. That way you get notified for all of my future videos. And when my Ipsy Ultimate and Ipsy Plus comes, hopefully I will get that up by this weekend. And that is everything, guys. Stay blessed, stay healthy, and try to stay cool in this hot weather that we're having. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Oh my God, I am like so grossed out.